Want to translate and dub your videos into over 100 languages while keeping the exact same voice, emotion, and pacing? Today, we're looking at Deepdub.ai, an AI-powered localization platform designed to make professional video dubbing fast, natural, and cost-effective. If you've ever tried translating video content, you know how hard it is to make the new voice match the original actor's emotion and timing. Deepdub solves this by acting as a complete voice layer for the real world. At the heart of their platform is the Phantom X 3.2 engine, which actually tied for #1 in expressivity in blind benchmarks. This means the AI doesn't just read words, it shifts its tone on the fly, going from calm and reassuring to energetic or dramatic, depending on the context. For video creators and brands, Deepdub lets you scale your storytelling globally. It supports over 100 languages and accents, ensuring your content sounds native in every single market without that robotic, synthetic feel. Plus, it's built to match the visuals perfectly, meaning the speech fits the character's pacing and on-screen emotion, so the audio and video feel completely unified. Beyond video dubbing, they also offer a powerful voice API for AI agents with an incredibly fast 125 millisecond response time. This allows for natural, real-time conversations, making it a great fit for customer service and live voice interactions. Now, let's talk about user feedback. Because Deepdub is highly specialized, enterprise-grade technology trusted by major Hollywood studios, independent user reviews and public pros and cons are currently limited in our research data. However, the platform is highly validated in real production environments for its long-form dialogue stability, preventing the voice drift that often plagues cheaper AI tools. If you want to experience it for yourself, you can try their voice API for free on their website, or talk to their sales team to see how it can fit your video production workflow. What do you think about AI dubbing? Would you use this for your own videos? Let me know in the comments below. Give this video a like, and don't forget to subscribe for more AI tool tutorials. See you in the next one.